Hello there. Welcome to Kisanlink, a place where we aim to integrate technology with agriculture to make it convenient and profitable for our farmers. Here we will learn about what is Kisanlink and how you can be a part of this transformation by becoming a Kisan Sathi. What is Kisanlink? Kisanlink is a Hyderabad-based agri-tech company that provides financial services, agri-inputs and output purchase services to farmers at their doorstep, with the help of carefully trained village-level entrepreneurs called Kisan Sathis. Who is a Kisan Sathi? Kisan Sathi is a companion for farmers. A Kisan Sathi helps them achieve better crop yields and prices of their produce. Being a Kisan Sathi, you will educate the farmers about the latest innovations in agriculture, existing products in the market such as pesticides, crop-related problems with the help of experts. Why do we need a Kisan Sathi? Our farmers work tirelessly to earn their livelihood. Every year they do irrigation, harvesting, and crop management. However, they need to reach out to different people for different purposes. Kisan Sathi will be a single point of contact for their end-to-end farming solutions and would update them about the latest technologies and products. How exciting is the Kisan Sathi career? Kisan Sathi is a gateway through which you can escalate your earning perspective and develop knowledge and skills, leading to multiple career options. You can even work for new-age startups or become an entrepreneur. You will not just help yourself but also revolutionize the entire agricultural system. So, are you ready to be a Sathi for our farmers? In this chapter you learnt about what is Kisanlink, why there is a need of Kisan Sathi, how exciting is the Kisan Sathi career,